The Dynamic Trader Indicator is an oscillator provided for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and run it on the chart. Also, traders can own this page to learn how the indicator works. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to pay attention to the Allow DLL Imports option in the settings and activate it, then click the OK option. With the indicator installed, an oscillator window opens at the bottom of the chart. The Dynamic Trader Indicator is a combined indicator that applies the stochastic indicator on the RSI window. Additionally, if the blue line, which is the oscillator line, crosses the orange line either upwards or downwards, the indicator considers it as a signal line. With each cross, it displays blue and red markers on the chart to issue buy and sell signals. In the Settings section, in the Input section, there are options available for us. The first part relates to the display settings. The theme, or the custom template of the indicator, which has 3 sections: light, dark, and custom. By selecting the light option, a light template is applied to the chart, the template that is placed on my chart. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is chosen, and by selecting the custom option, it retains your personalized template and only applies the indicator on the chart. The next section is about the indicator settings, including the RSI period settings, which is set to 13 by default, the stochastic indicator period settings, the K period settings of the stochastic indicator, the D period settings of the stochastic indicator, and the smoothing line settings to smooth out and reduce volatility noise. The next section is about showing or not showing buy and sell signals. You can adjust the color of the upward signal or buy signal and the downward signal or sell signal from these 2 sections. The next sections are related to alert settings, which you can activate from the Tools section under Options, and make adjustments from this section. You can simply enable or disable alerts from here. The alert settings are for messages, which you can activate or deactivate, as well as enabling or disabling sound alerts and email alerts. Here, I will select the dark template and set the smoothing mode to the default. The colors are blue and black. I change the colors to blue and yellow, and then I click on the Apply option. Here, the dark template has been applied to my chart, with buy signals changing to blue and sell signals changing to yellow, along with the changes in the stochastic oscillator on my oscillator window. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.